In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for and get your affiliate link with WP Travel Engine in 2025. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your affiliate marketing game, stick around and let's walk through this straightforward process together. To kick things off, you'll need to sign up for the WP Travel Engine affiliate program. To do this, head over to their official website. Once you're there, you'll want to concentrate on the option that says Sign up for WP Travel Engine Affiliate Program. Clicking this link will navigate you to a landing page specifically dedicated to the affiliate program sign up. It's important to ensure that the details you provide are accurate to streamline the process. Next, navigate your browser to www.travelengine.com/affiliate. This link will take you directly to the main affiliate page where you can begin your application process. On this page, search for the Join Now button, which is usually prominently displayed. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to fill in your personal details, such as your name, email address, and any additional required information before submitting your application. Double check all of your entries, as you'll want to provide the most up-to-date and precise information possible. After submitting, your application will be reviewed. Once you receive approval, the next step is to log into your affiliate dashboard. First, wait for a confirmation email indicating your acceptance into the program. Once approved, return to the WP Travel Engine site and locate the affiliate login section. Input the email and password you used during the registration to access your affiliate dashboard. Now that you're in, it's time to find your affiliate link. In your dashboard, there's typically a section labeled Your Affiliate Links or Promotional Links. Click on this section, which should display your unique affiliate URL ready for use. Copy this URL carefully. This is your direct line to earning commissions. The last part of this journey is using and promoting your affiliate link. With your URL copied, it's time to get it out there. You can share it on your website, YouTube channel, blog, or any social media platform where you think your audience might be interested in WP Travel Engine products. Remember, the more visibility your link has, the better your chances for earning those commissions. And there you have it. All sales that go through your specific affiliate link are automatically tracked to your account, ensuring you get credited for any conversions. By following these steps, you're setting the stage for a successful affiliate marketing experience with WP Travel Engine. Thanks for following along, and best of luck on your affiliate marketing journey.